What is up, Nerf Nation? I'm Naptown Nerf, and today we have two mystery packages. I know this one's from Lytake, but I don't know what they sent me because they didn't tell me they were sending me anything. And I'm not sure who this one's from, but I know it's from China, so I'm guessing it's from probably NF Strike or somebody like that. So we'll definitely crack these things open and see what we got. Should be fun. Alright, we'll start with this guy. Oh yeah. This is sweet. Alright. This looks like it's the newest version of the Select Fire kit that also has an ammo counter and voltmeter that you can read that goes on the side of your jam door. So that's really cool. This is a brand new kit. It's been kind of completely overhauled, so I'm hoping it works better than my first installed kit that went into Sub-Zero. I did install the newer version of that, which they also sell on Lytake.com, and it seems to be working better so far. So the previous kit has had some issues, but hopefully once I've fully tested this second version, I can do a full review and let you guys know whether to buy it or not. It's kind of hard to do that without testing over a few months. Anyways, the new one will also require that, but it looks really cool. We'll get it out of here real quick, and I'll kind of show you the differences, what I can tell. Well, this board looks completely different. Very interesting. So hopefully we can get some instructions to install this, because this looks completely different than the other one. So it'll probably be it'll probably be similar to the installation process of the other one, but it probably is going to be a little different. So I'll have to inquire about that. I don't know why they don't send instructions with the kit. I really wish they would send a paper, or at least a piece of paper giving you a link to a PDF to go find on the internet or something, and they don't give you, there's no, I believe, instructions also on the buy link. So that's one thing I really wish they would do, is send instructions with this stuff so people would have an easier time finding that to install it. I really don't understand why they don't do that. But if I can get those and I have the time at some point down the road, hopefully I can do an installation guide for this kit as well, like I did for the old one. Let's see what we got in here. Whoa. Alright. Oh, this is cool. Alright, so boom. This is the part that will be the ammo counter and voltmeter that replace the 3-button switch that was on the old version, Sub-Zero there. So this now just has one button and a little voltmeter. It's not very big, but it is definitely a cool addition, and that is definitely neat. And there's another board here. Like, there's a lot more boards for this one. I have no idea where all those go. So I'm kind of interested to find out where all those fit in at. Looks like you still have the same sort of selector switch that goes on the left side of the blaster there, and I really love that when playing. It's very, very simple to switch between single fire, burst, and full auto. I use it all the time, actually, so I don't think I would switch between them if I didn't have this part. So it's cool that that's still part of the kit. Looks like there's a new mag release or something here, which is very interesting. I'm not sure what that is, but it looks like a 3D printed part for the magazine or something, or maybe it's some sort of for a lock or something. I'm not real sure what that is. This looks very, very different, actually. Well, somewhat different. They've put a 3D printed piece that goes underneath the wheel, so I'm guessing that helps from the wheel, anything interfering with that wheel. The motor, I'm not sure if they've changed the motor, but it looks a little different to me. It looks like a little nicer motor. That's interesting. But the way it works is still the exact same. I'm not sure what kind of gear system this is called, but it's much better than the normal full auto kits, I think. So I like that a lot. So that'd be pretty cool to install in something special, and I have an idea of what I want to put it in, as long as everything will fit into the Stryfe, and the other stuff I want to put into the Stryfe will fit. So we'll have to kind of look at the instructions and then figure it out from there. But thank you so much, Lytake, for sending me this kit. I'll be in touch trying to get some instructions from you, and then hopefully I can install it in something soon. Alright, next is this, and it feels like 2 worker magazines, possibly. That's my guess. I'm going to take a guess. Hopefully it's Nerf related. I think I was right. This is cool, and I hope it's what I think it is. Oh yeah. 2 worker 22 magazines, it looks like. Oh boy. This is cool. Yes! Yes! Look at that, guys. Yes! They know how much I love these blue magazines. Well, when those came out, I was like, oh, that's so awesome. That is so awesome. Oh, that's good looking. That looks awesome. Oh, they've changed some of the molding on these. These are a little updated, a little different look to them. They I'll try to get a picture, but they have some it's a different mold. It's different than the old 22, so that's cool. It doesn't have like the lines the same. So here's one of my old clear ones. It was close by, but it has like grooved lines down here, and this has a totally different look. So that's pretty cool, and has a worker logo on it there. I like these a lot. These are really, really neat. They also look like they have a slight bit more curve to them than the other, just a bit more curve. They do not have the butt plate that slides off this part, but it looks like there's still the groove there, so you can put on your Magpul attachment piece. Let's see if this will fit on here. Maybe not, because this is a bigger slot than this, so I'm guessing no, that you will not be able to use the Magpul with this one, which is interesting that they've done that. Maybe they're getting rid of those, I don't know, or changing them. See if this is the same. Oh no, this is a clear one, which is, so this is like a redesigned 22 magazine. That's really, really cool. Yeah, that's really neat. So, a little more frosted than the old ones, which is neat, and I do like this redesign. It's really cool. I don't know if they're getting rid of the other ones, which would be unfortunate for people wanting to gather more of the same, you know, but, you know, I don't know if these are going to work better or not, but I will try to do a review on these products standalone, kind of comparing them to the old worker 22s and really seeing how they work. So, really, really cool. I'm going to go ahead and throw this in Sub-Zero just to see how it looks, because it would be awesome in that. Boom. That is sweet. That's cool. That is pretty cool. I don't think I'll probably be purchasing a bunch of these right off the bat, but maybe one day. The blue is really cool and definitely like my color, so sweet. I'm assuming this is from NF Strike. I'll have to do some research and find out, because they didn't tell me they were sending me these, but I'm assuming it's from NF Strike. Thank you guys, and I will try to do a standalone review on these. So those are the 2 packages I got today. Hopefully you enjoyed this surprise unboxing Naptown Nerf Parcel video. Don't forget to check out that merch. Buy a shirt. It helps out the channel. Check out my Patreon. Support me there if you're capable, or just follow, and I always try to post on there at least once a week, so check that out. Like my Facebook page, my Twitter, and my Instagram if you're not following me there. Smash that like button, and as always guys, peace out.